Hello. Yo, look at so fast. What's up? What's our video title? Should be contributing to open source? Nope. That's wrong. I mean, kind of technically it's still that, but it is kind of different. Are you good at open interpreter? What's more? Because we are starting with open interpreter for sure. What about Twitch? Okay, good. Twitch is right. Yo, Top Rack. Good to see you. My first YouTube sub, Top Rack. Let's go. Mike Bird. Oh, yes. Contribute to open source, specifically open interpreter. Okay, so if you were watching last stream, I had this issue on Mac OS. It looks like maybe it's like a Mac M1 issue. Pretty much this. When I tried to do OS mode, it complained about matching a string with an int. Um, M1 Mac OS, that's also what I'm running. Could be that. But yeah, I looked at they're running Python 3.9. I thought maybe it's a Python version thing, but I'm running Python 12, 3.12. I had a look online. Looks like it's a pretty simple issue, common issue with Python framework packages. And it's just like a one-line change from this to this. So I figured, why not make that change myself and submit a PR, help the open source movement. So that's what we're going to do really quickly at the start of this stream, and then, I don't know, we'll figure out stuff to do later on. But yeah, you're a Flash? See what Flash Webby thinks about that one. But yeah, let's do it. So if you want to contribute to an open source project, you typically fork the project. So we're doing Open Interpreter. You can see it already has 4,000 forks. You just click on this fork button and you fork your own copy of whatever project GitHub you're on. I already have one. See, and then it makes it whatever your username is / the project name. So, I mean, you could name it something else if you wanted to as well. And it'll also say what you forked it from. So that's really cool. And then you can make your own branch in here and make your own changes. And then you can submit a pull request into the main project, and you can have your changes implemented into the main project if they accept the pull request. So mine should be a really simple one-line change. So yeah, I've forked and pulled the latest version. I'm using cursor because I really love cursor's kind of chat to terminal commands, because I forgot how to check what the remote origin was, because this is like a command that, it's kind of 4 or 5 words. It's kind of hard to remember. So I just asked it, like, how do I see the origin URL in Git? You submit that and it preloads. There you go, preloads the command for you. So really helpful stuff there. And yeah, and now let's go. I think we can make a branch with git branch. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go fix PIL bug, and then git checkout fix PIL bug. And yep, and you can see here we're now on this new branch I created, which is really good. So I'm gonna make my changes here. I think we can just search for that. Oh, it actually might be not in the source code, this issue. It could be an issue with PIL. I don't know. Hold on. Let's go look at that. Python interpreter core computer display pi.81. Or maybe someone's already fixed it. Let's see. 81. I don't see it here. Okay. Maybe someone's already fixed this. It's just the latest release. How do we check the history of this file? File history. Open file history. Okay, here we go. We can see 5 months ago it was changed. Okay, so it hasn't been changed recently. Then why? Hold on. Was mine saying the same line? No, this is from pyscreeze. The hell is pyscreeze? Is that a package we use? Pyscreeze. Okay, so it looks like the error is actually from an external library called pyscreeze, which I have no idea what that is. But we can assume it's open source, and we can assume that they had the same issue, and we can assume they fixed it. Yep, this is the exact same issue, and it's closed as of June 8th, so about 20 days ago. They fixed it in the 1.0 release. So hopefully we can just update pyscreeze and fix this issue. I think if we go pyscreeze, we can see the versions on pip and their release history. So we're using 0.1.21, which is from 2019. Oh no, they're saying greater than. Wait, what the hell? But in the thing they said use 1.0. I'm confused. Oh, this is from 2013. My bad, it's a whole year old. 1.0 release. They never had a 1.0 release. What are you guys saying? Oh, I only supports Python 1 to 3.11. Oh, okay. In your poetry thing, it actually says, uh, find it here, greater than 3. No, wait, this is packages. Oh, this is for each package. Wait, is it even? No, I'm looking at poetry lock. I think I was looking at PyProject. Here it says, okay, up to 3.12. Before I pulled this, it said up to 4, but okay. So maybe it is a Python issue. How do you, hold on. Let's see. Um, Maybe I can fix it by changing my Python version. Let's open a new shell. I think use pyenv to change to Python 3.11. I think you use pyenv. Install 3.11 with pyenv. Nathan, hello. Yes, I've seen Rodog. You've made Web Scout and Rodog? What do you mean? I mean, you've made it. I think Abante AI made it. Rodog. You're learning NeoVim this weekend. Nice. Use Vim Tutor, I guess. I don't know. There's probably actually better ways to do it. I think I briefly tried Rodog a while ago, but I had. Oh no, I think I tried it with a local model or something and it didn't work. They also say it's fixed in point 1.3. Let me have a look. You're partially colorblind. Can you work as a programmer? Yeah, definitely. You don't need to see the colors. Yo, Victor, thanks for the gift. Have I used DevOps or just GitHub? Yeah, I've done some stuff with DevOps before. Web Scout package. Okay, I'll have a look. Have a look at Web Scout. Also, probably, I don't know. What the hell? Where do we find it? GitHub? This? Lucifer? Is it this? You're gonna have to tell me how to find it, Lakesh. Is this you? Lucifer? Yo, Kez, what's up? What are the pros and cons for DevOps and GitHub? I think you're confused. DevOps is like a practice of like continuous integration and stuff that runs and like builds stuff in the cloud so you can like just commit and have it pushed automatically. And GitHub is kind of like a company, and their main product is GitHub, which is like hosting Git, which is version control. Nice, yeah. I noticed you guys have been working on similar things, so it was good that you guys connected. Okay, still installing Python 11. That's it. Run the raw dog file. What's the raw dog file? Raw dog py. What does it do? You're a command line assistant called raw dog that generates and auto executes Python scripts. Nice. Cool stuff, man. Terminal GPT and an auto and open interpreter. Cool. You got your own demos? Scout. Wait, do I have sound here? Is it Indian? Hindi? We got Python 11. Um, Good. Let's see if I can. How do you activate source venv open interpreter bin activate? I feel like it's just that's too much to activate a source. Anyway, compared to Conda when it was just you just type the name of the thing, having to find the file is like slightly annoying, I feel, with venv. But you know, it's an adjustment period. I'm sure there's an easier way. Maybe writing an alias every time. All right, let's just try our interpreter with OS mode and see if we still have that issue with Python 11. That's new. Cursor. Okay, I need to activate some permissions for cursor. Okay. Computer is not defined. That's weird. Let me try it with iTerm, because we never had that issue with iTerm. In global 3.11. VN, no. What's it VN? Source. VN open. bin, wait, activate. Okay, let's see. The hell? Is it meant to import computer? Why is it so silly? Um, click on the text name error. Make sure to import computer first. I swear I didn't have to import this stuff because it should come with it. What? Dude, what version am I on? Mike, what happened? No worries, it's an error loop. Azure Develops allows version control. Oh, you're talking about Azure Develops. Yeah, they're pretty much the same thing, except I think on it, like I think GitHub has more features. Maybe actually I don't know. They're probably very similar. It's just GitHub is more like open source trusted, and Azure is more enterprise trusted. Andrew Shibs, what's up? You're new to Azure DevOps? Yeah, you can think of them as pretty much the same thing. Like GitHub has DevOps actions as well. Azure has, they probably copy each other for like every single feature. Um, the main reason people use Azure is because Microsoft and whatever enterprise they're with sign a deal usually. But like open source stuff is always on GitHub usually. Oh, owned by Microsoft as well, so they're pretty much yeah the same thing, bro. Why am I getting computer is not defined? I swear, like every time I try open interpret, I get like a new issue. Wait, oh, actually, I wonder if I try Python 13, 12, sorry, Python 12 again, if I still get that issue. Could be because of the way I installed interpreter when I was on Python 12. No, okay, same issue. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird, no? Was open interpreter helpful? Ooh, we got feedback? Oh, I wasn't able to provide my feedback. All right, let's have a look at their issues. Surely someone's come across this issue before. I feel like it's pretty common. No? Yeah, see, all the time. Every day someone has this issue. 3.10? Maybe Python 3.10? Alright, let's try. Is there a way to get the pyenv list? List all Python versions available on pyenv. Like installed maybe. Pyenv version. Okay, sweet. Oh, I do have 10. I have 10.9. Pyenv global 3.10.9. Okay, now we should have. Oh, it didn't even actually set that. Huh. Set local Python version to 3.10.9. I don't know. I'm a bit of a pyenv noob as well, so maybe this isn't how you do it. We chat here? Um, no, we could use this chat. Why isn't my pyenv changing Python versions? Sometimes you need to rehash pyenv to update the shims. The hell is a shims? Oh, you said the local version instead of the global version. What are shims? Let's try update the local version. Nope, that didn't work either. Um, Lightweight executables that intercept calls to Python and route them to appropriately managed versions. Huh. Okay. Let's rehash. Didn't work. Dude, why is Python suck? Ensure that Python is initialized correctly. Okay. Maybe we need to do that. Oh boy. Um, all right, let's try again. No, maybe it doesn't work with Python version. Check the global version like this. Okay. Okay. So maybe um okay. How come Python dash dash version prints something else out? Due to several reasons. Bro, I've rehashed so many times. Have I? Actually, no, I haven't. Alright, let's rehash again. No. Check out the shims is at the beginning of my path. Oh, it is. Check which Python aliased to venv over an interpreter in Python. Oh, it could be the venv. It seems from which Python that my Python version is actually controlled by venv. How can I change the Python version in my venv? Okay, I didn't know you could set Python versions in venv. That's pretty good. Gotta deactivate it. Set the desired version. And then create a new virtual environment. with the version. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Um, okay, deactivate it. And then let's remove, I guess, the venv that we had. And create a new one, Python and venv, interpreter. Oh, actually, before we do that, we gotta make sure we're on the right Python version, otherwise we'll have the same exact issue. Uh, yeah, still trying to get the old. Okay, 3.11. I think that's valid. I think that's a valid version. Make the venv. No such. Guess we gotta make deer first. Wait. Oh, there's a weird gap here. Okay. Okay. Um. Okay. Now we're in the VM and we should have Python version 3.11. Okay, good. I think we got to pip install interpreter again. All right. Glad we sorted that. Import computer API true. Oh, we have to pass that in? I swear we didn't have to before. From interpreter, oh, import open interpreter, interpreter equals open interpreter. You got a notification for all message, but not from the live gang. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure whether that live gang ping actually works. Hey. They talk about force reinstalling open interpreter. Someone shared a command. Maybe we can try that. Is it? I feel like it's probably the Python version issue. In VS Code, there is an interpreter tab in the bottom where you can change the Python interpreter. Yeah, that's for the like running the kind of the run through VS Code, kind of like debugger and stuff. Oh shit. Hold on, give me a sec. Trying to sort out my charger here. Okay, that should be okay for now. Compass with the profanity. Cool guy. Bunch of errors, but I think it's fine. I think we've got interpreter. Is it dash dash OS? I think so. All right. Interestingly, that guy got the issue with 3.9. Okay, same issue. Mike said we can import it with this. This? Hold on, let's go like docs. Oh, was this the forced reinstall you were talking about? Um, yeah, but that was from Jan 18th. The version I have now is definitely more up to date than Jan 18. People are still having this issue. Make sure to import computer from interpreter. Don't let it import computer on OS mode. Okay, so it's not supposed to import computer on OS mode because we handle that. So it shouldn't import computer. It should already be imported. Bro, what? How did this stuff work before? What was a pull request for Windows? If code contains a word computer, we will import the computer API if it hasn't been imported yet. If self computer, import computer, I don't know, code. Okay. Might solve this in another way. Some folks want to run without the computer API, so I think we should remove the reference to it in a system message for this reason. We could make it simply print the instructions for importing computer API, which is this thing that Mike said. Bro, what's the solution here? Oh, have I ran this? No, I haven't. I forgot that that was a thing. I should probably what are you guys saying? Paste the link in Discord. Oh, thank you. Hold on, let me try this pip install thing you suggested. Alright guys, if you want to use OS mode, apparently we have to use this separate pip install to get the specific stuff we need for Open Interpreter OS mode. That pip install again, thanks to Mike Bird, was pip install open-interpreter and then OS in square brackets, and that Open Interpreter is in single quotes. Don't forget your pyscreeze, yes. Optional. Optional? Loki sounds like we need it. But yeah, I remember in previous versions of Open Interpreter, when you tried to run OS mode, it was like, you're missing these packages. But for some reason, that doesn't say that anymore. So I completely forgot about it. I thought that maybe you would install it by itself, but I guess not. We can see if that code's still there. I remember it was like CV2, like OpenCV, CV2. Yeah, these. Um, Check if required packages are installed. Yeah. So it did used to do this. There's an inconsistency. We should testing if they're import within OI's computer, not here. Uh-huh. For packaging packages, try import package except. Okay, so it does check it. Missing packages. Maybe it did say this and I didn't see it. Can't remember. Definitely don't remember seeing that message. And then it even should have ran this for me. supposedly, right? If pip name in pip3 install. This is the exact command that Mike gave us. Should have been run. I don't know, maybe there's some issue. Okay, let's try again now with the additional packages installed. What's on my screen? And then we can go through all the issues on GitHub and tell them to run that thing. No, same issue. No, no. It's a hard not life. Um, let's see. Try run this first. Hmm. Bro, is this GPT 4.0? Why is it so not smart? Sorry, Mike. Uh, yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. Seems like it's a common issue, but I wonder if this will fix it. Should we try? Let's how do we run this from source? Deactivate my version 11, that's good. Okay, I think this is source. Poetry install. Okay, my Python version thinks it's 3.12.1. Please change the Python executable via the nviews command. Nviews. Python nviews. Cursor chat, help me. Poetry nviews. Okay, gotcha. Okay, sweet. Poetry install. Nice. All right, we're gonna try to run from source and debug this ourselves. Just Nike says, what's the best programming assistant available right now? Aider, AppMap, or other? Which one can be used to realize complex projects? Good question. I use Cursor for like basic, small stuff. It's pretty good. It does mostly what you want. It does struggle a bit for like multi-file edits or edits across multiple files. For that specific thing, editing across multiple files, I do use Aider. But neither of those are really good at realizing complex projects from scratch. I've seen GitHub Copilot workspaces kind of create projects from scratch kind of good, but we're still a long way from there. AppMap is really good for like analyzing existing projects and extending them and fixing stuff. Yeah. Do we have to import a computer? I thought so, but there's actually a bit of code in OpenInterpreter that like prevents the LLM from executing import computer. Okay, what do we failed to install Torch because it timed out? I don't know. Let's just try again. Okay, did it fine this time? Might have been my internet cut out. Oh, Ronald Doug, thanks for the heart. I didn't see that. I probably missed a lot of other gifts. I don't know. But yeah, thanks Victor and Ronald. Okay, we've installed Open Interpreter point 2. I think we can do this now, hopefully. No, poetry run. How do we do the poetry run? um, oh, I typed interpreter wrong. Interpreter. Yeah? Come on. Come on, tell me the version. Because of how slow it is, I feel like I'm on the wrong version. I feel like I might be on point 2. Bro, why? I see chat text and PNG in the top corner. Oh, yes, in the desktop. Oh, you can't see it. Maybe on this here. Yeah, mewing take friend. Interpreter computer API equals true. How do you flip your video? I asked because oh, is that a joke? Because like I'm upside down in Australia. Funny joke. Okay, we're definitely on the wrong version of Open Interpreter here. Why is that? Good fork. Uh, Today, discard. Okay, I think we were just on the wrong commit. It's so good how much faster interpreter runs now. Like that was so slow. 0.2 took like, I don't know, it felt like at least a minute to run. But now it's like pretty much instant on point 3. So that's really good. Shout out to everyone who contributed. There we go. Now we're point 3, point 3. Okay. So now if I do it, it should be instant. 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe not instant, but it should be faster. Right? Yeah, there we go. That was definitely faster. I think, yeah. All right. Now let's check if we have the same issue with OS mode on the latest commit. Okay, now it actually asks me to install these packages, which is good. So it looks like that's working correctly. Um, I don't know if that's just working correctly only on the latest commit or could be some other reasons due to like virtual environments and Python versions and stuff. I'm not sure. Have I checked Claude 3.5 artifacts? Yes. Yesterday's stream. If you want to see me covering that, go to my YouTube channel, live tab, and this Claude 3.5 Sonnet artifacts. Yesterday we briefly covered them. I mean, it was like, here's another thing is we do have the, yeah, really cool, man. Every time something new with these, like OpenAI or Anthropic comes out, really, really good. Mike tried OS mode on their machine at work, Python 3.11.7, OS 3.3 from pip. No idea why it wouldn't work for you. Exactly 9 seconds. Okay. Flash web counting. Mike says they want it to take 0.9. It's all right. We're getting there. Slow progress. Yeah, I don't know. Something about my machine. Maybe Mac M1. Or it could be the Python version. So you're running 3.11.7. I think I'm running, what was I running? I don't know, 3.11 something else. Can't go up that high. Actually, we could. Okay. Let's see if what's on my screen works with the source code. Oh wow, so they actually allowed it to import computer in this one. And then view, but now we have fast API module not installed, but goes ahead and installs that with pip. And then it's gonna try again. Same error. Very interesting. Now it's trying to use shell. Oh shit, I accidentally denied it. Hey, it actually worked. Now, yeah, same issue with computer. Okay, let's see if this dude pull request works for me. What file is this? Terminal.py. What line? 41. No, it's not here. If language equals Python. Oh, they pretty much changed it to be this anyway. Self-computer, computer API, and not self-computer, computer API, and computer encode. Oh shit. Okay, so it looks like this is kind of already been implemented. Um, import time, import datetime, import computer. Computer equals interpreter.computer. Okay, so this is meant to do stuff. Wonder if we can print some stuff here. Trying, checking computer import. Importing computer, etc. All right, let's see if we even get into this code block. Yes, it does. Twice. 3 times. A lot of times. Okay, so it definitely tries to execute that. Self-log computer run. I guess if we turn on verbose mode, we can see that. How do we turn on verbose mode? Um, verbose. Dash dash verbose. Hmm. That didn't seem to print out the lines that I thought. Um, does it not do anything here? Hello? Hmm. I guess that display doesn't really do anything. Hmm. I don't know, man. That's yes. I wonder if it's reference to an old profile. Has it ever asked you to migrate to a new format? Yeah, it does sometimes, but I guess on this fresh install, it hasn't. Um, let's have a look what happens if I run profiles. Okay, we still only have this. This could be the issue, maybe. Really basic profile here. Let OS. Where's the profile here? Let's try maybe save this in oh, I got an idea. Oh, there we go. Okay. os.py. Okay. Now I should have os.py profile here. Yeah. So can I go profile os.py? Is that how this works? Maybe. Okay. Different error. That's good, I guess. No, same error. Um, right. Check I imported the profile correctly. Profile your local YAML. Looks good to me. Yo, Paul. Also do the transition that you did in your previous stream. Maybe same command without the OS. Okay, try that. Oh, hey, it worked. Well, it didn't give an error, so that's really good. All right, so looks like there's something with the basic thing. Let's try get it to do something kind of complex. I don't know, clicking on stuff just to make sure that the interpreter commands work. Open Chrome, navigate to. Wait, open Chrome. Wait, open Chrome. Go to YouTube and click on the third recommended video. I don't know, something random. Something that involves clicking on stuff. Whoa, okay. Opened YouTube. Let's see, will it click stuff? Oh, open YouTube again. Come on, click stuff. kind of want to check the terminal, but I also don't want it to. Okay, it's open YouTube again. And again. It's saying that the screenshot's green. Yeah, it's like, I think maybe it's not looking at the terminal. I don't know, actually. That doesn't make too much. No, same thing. No module name computer. I thought we fixed this error. Uh, Keystroke. No module name computer. Oh, stop. If I specifically say like use the computer library and show off its functions. It like didn't complain the first time, but it looks like it complained the second time. Computer browser.search OpenAI. Sick. So it looks like this is kind of like a, wow, that's really cool. Okay, that worked. Sometimes it works. Computer mail unread count. Okay, once I access my mail, but I don't even use the default mail thing. So we'll deny it and then it'll complain. Test email send. Okay. Create event. Okay, so it's definitely using all my. I don't use the Apple Calendar either, but looks like computer is working fine. Um, so I'm going to contribute to open source. You don't always have to write code to contribute to open source. You could just reply to people's issues. That sometimes helps even more than code does. So we're going to go through and find all the people where it said computer not defined and tell them how I personally overcame this issue using the profiles. Um, so let's craft a message here. I have this issue running dash dash OS. I was able to overcome it using os.py profile with um, you can find the make sure you have the os.py profile in your profiles directory interpreter dash dash profiles. Um, you can find the file here, and let's find the link to os.py. That's local.py, os.py. Okay, before I post out, see if Mike says anything. We love docs too. Oh, so sure, thank you. Ask over an interpreter to solve that issue. Yes, we should. What's up, TikTok fam? Yo, for UH, there's an open source project called Open Interpreter, which takes like natural language commands and writes code to execute on them. I'm just having some issues with it, so I tried to solve those issues and contribute my findings to the open source community. How do I create interest in coding? I like building stuff, making stuff, specifically software and previously games. So the way to do that is with coding, and that's kind of what motivates me. Okay, Another good thing to do is to note the issues so you can reference them all. So we actually might, here's what we're going to do. We're going to open all of them that are open. Okay, there's only 4 of them, which is fine. And then we will, does he have the same issue? Computer is not defined, yes. We will reference all of them by going hashtag, I mean, I guess we could reference this one as well. That way, like when someone comes to fixing them, they kind of see all of them and can and this is kind of a different issue. I feel like this is kind of a different issue. I'm going to leave that one. This is definitely the same issue. They can reference all of them, so comment that. Looks like he's getting the same issue. Comment that. And on my original comment, we will mention the other issues. Oh, I hope that. Yes. Okay. Good. Sweet. And eventually, someone will fix it, I guess. Or seems like it's something to do with. I don't know. Maybe like yeah, the computer API not importing properly unless you use the profile. Maybe some cached issues. I don't know, but it seems like a lot of people are having this issue, just like me. It was previously working, and then suddenly around May, I guess, maybe June or April even, it just kind of stopped working. All right. Yeah. I want to order some food. Finally stopped raining here. The views are so nice. I kind of want to show you guys the views as well. Um, shall we take a break? I think so. Let me pull up my camera. Actually, it's the open invite if anyone wants to join the meeting. I'm posting it in Discord. Okay, link it. No. Wait, can I still join? Okay. 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 Wait. You guys don't have audio, hey. Audio. Audio.
Yeah.
Can you hear that?
Can you hear that?
Admit.
Admit.
Yo.
Yo,
Can you hear
can you
me?
hear me?
Flash?
Flash?
Um, oh, check.
check.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Sweet.
Sweet.
All
All
right.
right.
Let's
Let's
go
go
for
for
an
an
adventure.
adventure. Check out the view from my room here. It's even better on the rooftop. We're gonna go on the roof soon. How nice is that? Well, let's go on the roof. I don't see chat, but we'll make this quick. Boom. Bro, it's so nice. It's crazy. Whole ass ocean. Mountains. Loki might go to. There's like a boat you can take from here. It goes like around the cliff, into a really nice beach. But it's just been raining so much that I haven't really been able to leave the house. But it seems like the rain stopped now, so I'd have an opportunity. We're back. All right.
Mhm. Oh, I didn't unmute the mic thing here. Was the mic? Wait, was the voice working? I don't know. I hope so. I hope diddly hope so. Okay. All right. That was my contribution to open source today. Yeah, we crossed an hour. Nice. Setup reveal, yes. It is a nice place, thanks. It's crabby, Alnan crabby. Yeah. Is there anything else I was gonna do? Not really. I'm trying to keep up the habit of just streaming every day for an hour. Um, that's good. Keep it up, keep it up. All right. Yeah. Stick around for a little bit. And yep, my last where was it? Yeah, it was Ao Nang Krabi in Thailand. Right here. Right in the middle of the world, if you look at it like this. Honestly though, if I was to pick the middle, it would probably be here. This kind of looks like where the middle of the world would be. Right here, Jarvis Island. Damn. Never even heard of this place. Like, how do you even get here? You'd have to go by boat. It's like really small. Why is there people here? This is such a good picture. A day ago? What? Dude, that's kind of recent. Damn, Jarvis. feel like you'd be pretty safe from like nukes and shit. Oh, it's pretty close to Hawaii actually. Hawaii's kind of in the middle of nowhere too. Yeah. Bro, I don't know how the sound is here. Should be okay, let's see. Let's listen to some non-tech friend music. What about something kind of chill? Chill jazz, here we go. Can't hear that. Yeah, you can, right? Yeah, you can hear it. Hold on. Yeah, Berry Game actually might work on one of my projects next stream. So either Berry Game or Clickless Cage or Timestamp Genius. Safest place is Africa. I think, yeah. I think what Kyrgyzstan said is like the likely places for nuke to drop is like United States, like China. So yeah, I guess Africa, I think like here, South Africa would be the safest. If you draw a big circle around like North Korea, China, it's like here. Big circle around USA is like here. And then like down here would be pretty safe. Maybe, but they also said like something like the radiation kind of travels around the globe and like stays at the poles or something. I don't know, I can't remember, but yeah, I also watched that video. Anyway guys, I'm gonna leave it here. Hopefully I'm gonna come back maybe even like tonight because it's raining I think later today, so I'm just gonna take advantage of the rain not being now and do some stuff outside. But I think if it's raining all tonight, I'll come back on stream. So right now it's like midday for me, so in maybe like 6 to 8 hours I'll come back. Yo, Point Abigail, if you want the most intense nuke movie, it's called Threads. Not really something I'm into. I mean, I haven't even seen Oppenheimer either, but it's just something to be aware of, you know. It would definitely change the world if that stuff goes off, and I hope it doesn't. I hope we can live safe forever. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace out.